Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Gareth, this is Tech Check, and I just want to say a huge thank you for all the recent subscribers. You have actually made my day, week and month so far. So if you've not done already, smash that subscriber button, leave a thumbs up if you actually see any value in the video, and again, thank you to each and every one of you. So what are we doing today? It's massive. It's the Thermaltake Tower 900, and just to put a little bit of context behind the reason why we've got this case, the customer actually reached out to me quite a long time ago actually and said he was interested in doing a water cooling build. I said, yep, no problem at all. Is there any cases you like? He said, yep, this one. I said, if you got your art set on that, go for it. Problems like everybody else, we couldn't get one of these badges, a graphics card. So his 3080 or 3090 dreams have slipped through. He managed to get his 10850K, the 10900K's cousin there. He managed to get his 32 gigs worth of RAM, and after we couldn't obviously get a graphics card, we decided instead of splashing out on an Asus Crosshair, we'd go for a cheaper alternative and basically just get the best performance for our money as we could until things, I like to say, go back to normal, but I don't think they are in any time soon. We've seen the cryptocurrencies decline slightly over the last couple of weeks, and that has instigated a few sellers on Facebook Marketplace and eBay and a reduction in prices a little bit, but not anything substantial. So, as always, there's the parts. I want to build this as quickly and as nicely as I can. Hopefully you guys will join me along for the ride. And again, if you find any value in the video, smash the subscriber button, leave a thumbs up because it really does help me. Doesn't cost you guys anything, but I really appreciate your support. Where do you start? It's bloody massive. Right, let's take the back off. That must be easier. So these 4 thumb screws at the back, guys, we can just quickly remove those. Right, we've got 4 thumb screws on the front here, just larger ones. It was gonna fall. It was definitely gonna fall. So as you can see at the back, there's plenty of room in the back here, guys. Our power supply mounted here. Obviously we've got a motherboard tray which is back here. Plenty of rubber grommets back here. In terms of connectivity, the case comes with 2 USB 3 connections, our standard HD audio, and then we've got our front panel connectors such as reset switch, power switch and power LED buttons. Let's crack on and see how fast we can actually do this. Don't fall off. Fairly pleased with that. It was very, very straightforward. There's so much room, guys. It is unbelievable. There's so much room. I was thinking I was going to have some problems with the length of the actual CPU power cable and the 24-pin cable as well, but we just managed to get there. Due to obviously the motherboard being mounted up here and the power supply right down the bottom, it's quite a way, and I was thinking we may have problems, but we didn't actually have any problems. It was just we got a bit of blood and a cut off the case where we had to try and squeeze the cable through, but other than that, absolutely fine. That Z490 A Pro from MSI, loads and loads of fan connections or fan headers, so there's no issues there. Loads of RGB headers if you're wanting to upgrade to RGB fans. 28 Ti looks absolutely mint in there. For me, the cooler, not really sufficient. In this case, I'm guessing, obviously you can fit, bloody hell, 480mm radiators in the sides, so a 360mm radiator wouldn't be an issue. So am I a fan of this case? Not really, guys. For this particular build, it's the wrong type of case. It's way, 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 way too big, okay? But for a water cooling build, it would be insanely good. You can mount reservoirs at the bottom down here. Hardline tubing, it would be brilliant because you can hide everything behind the back and just have on show what you want on show. The amount of flexibility this case offers would be insanely good. Don't get me wrong, I've enjoyed building in it. It's been an experience, but this particular build here looks lost in this size of case. So I think it looks nice. I think what the customer's obviously got, he wanted to use the case because he'd already purchased it. I feel a little bit sorry for him due to the fact that he's not been able to get his hands on the latest graphics card and then obviously do his dream of water cooling build. But I know that he's at university at this moment in time, and I know this will serve its purpose absolutely fine. Overall, guys, shorter build, not as in much as in detail, taking a little bit of, well, the joy of last week's build, to be quite honest with you. Less talking, more building. But what I will do, guys, is I'll give you a walk round of this build, show you a bit more closer as it actually looks now it's finished. Thank you very much and take care.